Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series X on Sony TV, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Xbox Series X and ensure you have all the necessary components. Place your Xbox Series X near your Sony TV. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI output port on the Xbox Series X. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI input port on your Sony TV. Plug the power cord into the Xbox Series X and connect the other end to a power outlet. Turn on your Sony TV using the remote control. Select the HDMI input where the Xbox Series X is connected. Press the Xbox button on the front of the console to turn it on. Allow the Xbox to boot up fully. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and region. Connect your Xbox to your home Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted to establish the connection. Once connected, the Xbox will check for system updates. If an update is available, follow the instructions to download and install it. After the update, sign in to your Xbox account or create a new one if needed. Customize your profile settings as prompted. Adjust your TV settings for optimal gaming performance, ensuring game mode is enabled. Navigate to the Xbox settings to configure additional features, like display and audio. You are now ready to enjoy gaming on your Xbox Series X with your Sony TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.